Are you looking for the best gardening tools? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best gardening tools on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hooyman Digging Shovel. A quality shovel, as with a sturdy garden hoe, is one of the best gardening tools to invest in, and one of the most basic. The best garden shovel that we've tested, the Hooyman Digging Shovel, features a heavy-duty carbon steel head and no-slip grips for each hand. The slightly serrated blade cuts through everything from hard ground to roots. The lightweight fiberglass shaft is durable but light enough for long stretches of use. Not all jobs require a full-sized shovel, however. If you want to dig small holes planting seeds, consider a hand trowel, such as the Fiskars Ergo Trowel. Number 2. Flexzilla Garden Hose. The Flexzilla hose, our favorite garden hose, is a crucial garden tool to keep in the shed. It's light and flexible without sacrificing durability or performance. Both ends of the Flexzilla have comfort grips that allow the hose to twist freely, making it easy to maneuver around the yard. The Flexzilla's titular flexibility did lead to a couple of kinks as we pulled the hose taut, but it unkinked itself after a moment, so it wasn't an issue during testing. The flexible nature of this hose also made it a breeze to coil and carry from one place to another. It can't touch the portability of an expandable hose, but it was the easiest to move, coiled or expanded, of the standard hoses we tested. Number 3. Felco 2. Our testing of the Felco 2 pruning shears backs up the brand's reputation for making quality gardening tools. Our pick is best pruning shears. These excellent garden tools have hardened steel blades that cut cleanly through every plant you're likely to encounter in your garden, from delicate flower stems to half-inch diameter branches. That versatility is a huge advantage with gardening hand tools. You can cut down the last year's growth on your yew hedge, trim your roses, give them a quick clean, and then snip a few basil leaves to pretty up your plate of spaghetti. Although the manufacturer says the F2s have a 1-inch cutting capacity, in practice, that capacity depends on your hand strength. If you're a weekend gardener who doesn't spend a lot of time working with yard tools, you might not be able to cut through a 1-inch branch even though the shears can open wide enough. When cutting softer plant materials like raspberry canes, the action can feel a little sticky, as though the mechanism is getting slightly stuck. The cuts are still clean. The lock is easy to close with your thumb but can be hard to reopen one-handed. Number 4. StoneBreaker Gloves Gardener. No home's chest of gardening tools would be complete without a pair of sturdy gloves. StoneBreaker Gardener gloves are excellent all-around gloves for most light to medium-duty gardening and yard work. The available sizes, small, medium, and large, roughly correspond to glove sizes 7 to 9. At about $20 a pair, the StoneBreaker gloves aren't cheap, but they're ruggedly durable. They're a great all-purpose pair for anyone who wants just one set of gloves. Made of goatskin and fabric, they're sensitive enough for weeding, but sturdy enough for grabbing thorny stems and rough-edged bricks. They'll also keep blisters at bay during long pruning sessions. The slim profile of the fingertip seams keeps them from interfering with fine detail work. The light color and breathable fabric backing help them stay cool on hot, sunny days, and the palms are water-resistant. There are a few downsides. The backs of these gloves aren't water-resistant, they're on the pricey side, and they must be washed by hand. The cuff is long, but the elastic isn't particularly tight, so some dirt may fall in. Number 5. Mammotion Luba 2 AWD 5000H. The Mammotion Luba 2 packs many high-tech features into an effective racecar-shaped robot system. The best robot mower you can buy, it wirelessly communicates with its charging station and follows customizable protocols from the app, which can be adjusted in granular detail. The Luba 2's app allows you to tweak the robot's schedules, and employ some of its more advanced skills like its first-person view camera, which ports you right into the lens of the robot. It will also help you set precise borders to mow zones and mow-in patterns. Those who are excited about customization options and innovative smart features could find the many technological marvels of this robot lawn mower more than worth it. If you're concerned about letting a robot navigate between the ivy beds and detail the flower beds by the steps, this is the one in which to put your trust.